Hello YouTube and welcome back. We've been doing a lot of unboxing videos lately and I've been having fun with it. But as I've been getting my motorcycle ready for this year, because just a little forewarning for anyone who actually watches my videos, I'm coming back. But in coming back, I've been getting my motorcycle ready, and I thought, you know what? Rather than use my old GoPro Hero 3 Plus Silver, which is what I shot all my old videos with, I was like, you know what? Let's see what 2022 has to offer. Now, one of the things you will notice is this is not from 2022. This is a GoPro Hero 8 Black Edition. They did come out with the GoPro Hero 9 and then now the GoPro Hero 10. From what I can tell, between the 8 and the 9, the biggest difference is right on the front there. There's an actual display, which I would only really use if I was like doing a normal day-to-day vlog, showing my face, that sort of thing. Which eventually I will get around to. Yeah. Um, but I thought, you know what? Rather than spending an extra couple $100, let's see what the best deal is out there. So this one apparently, from all the videos that I've watched and any bit of research that I've done, the 8 is a big jump from the 7, but the 9 isn't really a big jump from the 8, and then the 10 apparently is awesome. So I figured, you know what? Let me start with the 8. If it kind of works out, then I'll work my way up into some newer models. So, or some more upgraded models. Now, a couple of things here. This one is a 12 megapixel. It does shoot in 4K at 60 frames per second. I probably won't be doing my videos of that because most videos are viewed on phones or computers. So 1080p at 60 frames per second should be just fine. It is they say waterproof or water resistant up to 33 feet or 10 meters. And it's black, which is cool. So I found this deal where I got this sweet package. Now, it comes in a case, which I'm a big fan of. I love cases because I find it easier to organize and take care of things. Let's see what we got here. Ooh, fancy. So, got the usual bolts from GoPro. I love these things. I've got a million of them. They're awesome. They're easy to use. These again, same system. It's awesome. Comes with, I believe, two clamps, and then one 3M sticky pad. Now this is probably the one I will use on my motorcycle because if you can see it there, it is curved. It'll probably be the one I use on my motorcycle, which I'm happy with because I've got a million of these things, but I just ordered a whole pack of them. And then two different batteries. Now, what sucks is that these batteries are not compatible with my old GoPro and vice versa, but that's okay because I'm going to have two of them for this, which I'm okay with that. Um, you do get, I love these cases. I don't know why, but I've always loved them. This one looks bigger, which is kind of cool because it looks like it's a fairly big camera. Now, I am for the audio. I might do like a setup video, but for the audio I am gonna have to drill a hole out here, just to be able to use that. Or you never know, I might not even use this. I might just use the GoPro, and there's a reason for it. The reason is there's actually GoPro has now added its own mounting system, which I think is really cool. I don't know how stable it is. From what I've heard, it makes it a little wonky, but or not wonky, but like loose. But I might just put this up and then use that. I don't know. I haven't really decided yet. The other thing to please keep in mind if you have or are getting a GoPro Hero 8 because it's on sale right now, um, that might be more of a deterrent to use it on its own. So you're probably going to want to use it in the case. And here's why. If you crack this screen or this lens, you have to replace the whole GoPro. There isn't an option, as far as I'm aware, to just replace the lens. Whereas on the 7, you could. So just keep that in mind. A little bit to think about because it could be a little expensive. I didn't really feel the need for the screen here. Like this display screen is okay, but the actual like digital screen that they have on the newer ones, I don't know really how I feel about. It's a little dusty. Now, I don't know how to open this. I've never I haven't really done it before. I'm going to have to mess around with it and see if I can figure it out. But I've seen, so basically you have the battery goes in there, and then you have an audio port, which is now no longer a regular audio port. It is a USB-C. So, and then you have the screen on the back. This is really where I was excited, is the screen. It's something new, and obviously the picture quality and the image stabilization, and I think it's called Hyper Smooth. I'm excited for that, specifically on the motorcycle, and I now have 3 GoPros, so I'm going to be able to get multiple angles if I were to bring the bike back. And I'm not saying I'm going to, but I'm going to. So that's that. I don't think, I would assume under here's, oh, it's just another back door. Okay. Yeah, I would assume there's not really much in there. So, yeah. Now for the audio, again, I might do a little bit more of a setup, but I did get this little dongle thing, which is a USB-C to audio jack. So hopefully that works well, and then I can just use my normal mics because they've worked well in the past. So we'll see how that goes. I'll probably end up doing some sort of a system, like a motovlogging setup at some point. But we'll see when we get my motorcycle back. But for the time being, this is the GoPro Hero 8. I just want to do a quick unboxing. Let me know what you guys think. Do you think it's worth the upgrading to the 10? I'm going to mess around with this. I'm going to see what I can do in creating some more videos and see what I can do from there. Until then, obviously, same as the usual stuff. Like, share, subscribe, comment below. I'd love to hear from you. And I'll see you guys later.